Okay, so as you can see, the radio is connected on 80 megahertz, and let's see what we get here. So on 80 megahertz, you would expect on TCP something around 300, 320, or 300 one way. Okay, so let me first start TCP unidirectional, and that is exactly what we were seeing when we had direct cable connected between two MikroTik switches. That it started from something above 300 and then it stopped on 300. So let me try 350. Okay, so we are getting 350.
I had a question. In case we know the tool is limited at around 350, can we use iPerf or any other tool for pushing more data?
Yeah, we could give it a shot, but iPerf should only be performed in extremely controlled environment, similar to what the two limitations we are seeing on MikroTik. iPerf has its own set of limitations. I would not recommend using iPerf, especially if you have radios deployed in field where you do not at all have control environment and control on your source and destination PC. Let's see how are we doing when we do both. Okay, same thing. If you remember when we had direct cable, if I remember correctly, we saw something similar to the results that we are seeing right now. We are not getting 350 bi-directional because of the CPU. And if I remember correctly, we were getting something similar and some peaks just like these, and we were something around 170, 180 while doing TCP bidirectional. The conclusion here is, even though we are on 80 megahertz channel and we should see something around 300 while doing bidirectional on 80 megahertz channel, we are not doing it, not because of PTP550 limitation, but because of MikroTik bandwidth test tool limitation. I would again like to remind the viewers that don't be under false impression by looking at CPU usage on the top right corner, but by doing this command, which shows you one CPU core is being utilized 100%, and same thing on the slave side.